Today we're looking at a 2025 Ibex RV Suite. So I believe they have 3 models out now. What is it, right? Forest River's the manufacturer, very good manufacturer. Like a lot of manufacturers now, these, I call them tiny homes or loft models. Basically what they're doing is, so many people are starting to stay in the units full time or using this as their getaway. They put it, we're right here in Lakeview. We've got a lake called Indian Lake. There's campgrounds throughout the whole lake. There's all around the lake, there's different campgrounds, right? Well, a lot of customers will put these there and then they stay there. You're not moving them, they're just staying, and that's your getaway for the weekends. When you come up, you can go on the lake, enjoy the lake and everything, and that's what you're starting to see a lot with these. What's cool about Ibex and their suites and what separates them, the biggest thing is they're like an old school, right? So they've got their greens, they've got an old school refrigerator, they've mixed it in with the nice woods and everything. So really not much anything like it out there. So that's really unique about them. And again, they're a great product, give you a lot of features as well.